The equation is y equals the inverse cosine of x squared. And we are interested in what is dy dx? What is the derivative of that function? Alright, well, there are going to be two ways to do this, and I'm going to present two different videos for each way. So the way that I'm going to discuss in this video assumes that we have memorized the formula, the rule, for what the derivative of the inverse cosine function is. So we're going to assume that you have memorized the fact that the derivative of the inverse cosine is, this would be the time for you to say what the inverse cosine derivative is, because we're assuming you've got it memorized. It's -1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. But that's for the inverse cosine of x, not the inverse cosine of anything else. Here we've got the inverse cosine of x squared. So what rule are we going to use? Yeah, we're going to use the chain rule. F is the inverse cosine function. G is what's inside our inverse cosine. It's x squared. Then f prime is that. It's -1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. And g prime is the derivative of x squared, which is 2x. Alright, so we want f prime of g times g prime. F prime, -1 over the square root of 1 minus, and where the x is, we replace it with g. So that's x squared, and then this squared. Times 2x. Then our final answer here, doing a very minor amount of simplification on this, -1 times 2x, so we've got -2x all over the square root of 1 minus x squared squared is x to the 4th. And there's our answer, -2x over the square root of 1 minus x to the 4th.